Welcome to the transformative realm of HiTech Blitz Consulting. Take a moment to envision a future where data isn't just a resource, but the heartbeat of innovation, and those fluent in the art of data analytics reign supreme. Here at HiTech Blitz, we go beyond the conventional. We are purveyors of knowledge, shaping a future where data analysis is the cornerstone for professionals, both in tech and beyond. Our mission is to prepare you not just for the present, but for the fast-evolving landscape of the tech industry. We aim to equip you with the essential skills that not only unravel the complexities of data, but position you as a trailblazer in today's dynamic business world. Do you agree that data has evolved, and it is now the heart and soul of every contemporary business? Come. Join us on a journey of professional evolution with our comprehensive 18-week data analytics program. This isn't just a course, it's your passport to a career trajectory that defies limits. Whether you're eyeing vertical ascension within your current organization or contemplating a move to a different organization, our program is crafted to equip you with cutting-edge tools that will not only dazzle your current organization, but also carve a distinct niche for you with potential employers. During our program, you'll delve into the intricacies of industry-defining skills such as data visualization, manipulation, interpretation, and presentation using Microsoft Excel and PowerBI. You would also gain a deeper understanding of the foundations of database management with SQL and emerge with knowledge of data programming using Python. Yet, there's more to this journey than acquiring technical skills. Beyond the curriculum, we provide added benefits, from fine-tuning your resume to mastering the art of salary negotiations and offering you job references. So, what sets our program apart? It's not just the competitive pricing that ensures you extract maximum value. What truly distinguishes us is the formation of a community, a network of like-minded individuals committed to your success, providing support and cheering you on in this transformative journey. We stand unwavering in our commitment to equipping you with the indispensable skills that will open doors to your dream role. We believe you have what it takes, and you'll ascend to new heights of success. Welcome aboard as we achieve the seemingly impossible together.